grammar. It's not confusing when you investigate through the magic lens. The magic lens method of grammar was developed by Michael Clay Thompson. Seeing grammar through a magic lens of sentence analysis makes everything become clear. There are 4 levels of sentence analysis we'll be using this year. To analyze means to take something apart and look at its separate components, understanding how each contributes to the whole. This is different than the normal way you've been taught grammar. We don't use worksheets. We don't say, today we're going to work on verbs, next week we're going to work on nouns. At the end of a month, when we try to put all those things together, you've forgotten what a noun is. So the magic lens method looks at everything in every sentence every day. So this is what it's going to look like as we go through it this year. I have a sentence. The alien stepped out of his spaceship. The first level of analysis is parts of speech. Every single word in this sentence has a job to do. The is always an adjective. It acts as an adjective in the sentence, and that's how we put it down for the analysis. Alien is a noun. Stepped is a verb. It's an action verb. He's doing something. Out describes where he stepped. It's an adverb. Of is a preposition. We'll be studying prepositions this year. His is a pronoun. His is taking the place of saying alien again in the sentence. Spaceship is a thing, so it's a noun. That completes the parts of speech. Every single word has something under it. Every single word has a job to do. Next, we would look at parts of a sentence. That's the second level of sentence analysis. Parts of a sentence include the simple subject and simple predicate, and any phrases, such as a prepositional phrase, infinitive phrase, etc. So in this particular sentence, we want to find the subject. We know that alien is what the sentence is talking about, so this is going to be the simple subject. Stepped is the verb, that's the predicate, that's the simple predicate of the sentence. We have a preposition. When you have a preposition, you have a prepositional phrase. And that ends with the first noun after the preposition. Okay? So that completes, for this particular sentence, that completes the parts of a sentence. Next is the clauses part, and a clause is a simple subject and simple predicate. That's it. So we have one in this sentence, so it has one clause. And then the final thing we look at is the type of sentence. And we look over here at the end, and there's an exclamation point. So it's an exclamatory sentence. So we write that in. And that completes the sentence analysis for this sentence. This is what we'll be doing this year. It will become a little more complicated with everything we have to find in the sentence. But when we start with this as our base, we can really go anywhere with grammar, and it becomes so much easier to see and remember everything we need to know about sentence analysis.